Hi everyone, in this video we're going to see the filter section of Shotcut and in general all the filters that you can apply to your clip or your video in general. So first of all, click on filters. So you should select your clip. So select the first clip, for example, and then go to filters. You will see this like cross icon. That is for adding a filter, as you can see. So as I click here, you will see that there are 4 sections, so favorite, video, audio, and time. But I mean, we are going to cover the most important ones, so we are not going to obviously show them all because there are too many. But yeah, those are the favorites. So we can like start with I don't know, color grading. Yeah, so we have 3 wheels, one for shadows, one for midtones, and one for highlights. And as you can see, as you modify the position of the dot in the wheel, it will change the color grading of the clip. Because if we go to another clip, you can see that these remain like dry without effects. So if you click on a clip and you add a filter, it will only apply on that. So yeah, we can mess around a little bit with the settings, but I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just going to do random stuff until I'm, I don't know, satisfied. So let's keep this one on white. I don't know. You can obviously, if you know what you're doing, you can do some pretty cool stuff, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So I don't know. Let's put this on green. Nah, white. Yeah, little bit of bluish tone. Same for this one. However, if you want to like copy the same settings for all the clips, here we have the copy and paste option. You can click on copy the filters, then go to the clip you want to modify as well, and then click paste. So if we now go to this one and press play, sorry for my CPU, is very slow. But as you can see, it's applied the same exact filters that we applied for the first clip, and we can do this for every clip. We can do this, for example, for, I don't know, this one or this one that has the sea. So I don't know, maybe the bluish tones are cool on this one. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's like yeah, cool. But keep in mind that if you, for example, split your clip, so now we have 2 different clips for the C part, you can like add different effects for the 2 parts. So for example, let's modify like the first one, and I don't know, so just to see the difference. Okay, so it works. And as you can see, as you move along, the colors change as well. But yeah, let's undo this mess. Okay, so also you can do this before you import the clip into your timeline. So let's do this. Let's delete this clip. So let's press Ctrl X to delete that, and then go to playlists, select the ocean one. Okay, then go to filters, then add the filter, color grading, and then you can mess around with the color grading of the clip. Let's, I don't know, do like that. Nah, more bright. Okay, like that. I think it's good. Then as you can see, I already selected the starting point and the end point, so we just need to drag and drop the clip on the timeline. And as you can see, when we press play, it already has the color grading settings on. So let's press pause for a second. Okay, obviously you can add more than just one filter, so let's add one more and select brightness. Okay, so we can see that the middle point is at 100%, so here will be at 200, so complete brightness, and here complete darkness. So let's make it like a little more, I don't know, bright or dark. I mean, we can do, okay, yeah, a little darker might fit. So, okay, that should be good. So if you want to see how the clip looks without and with the filters, if you want to bypass a filter, you can just click on this box instead of like deleting the filter. So click on this box and we can see the before and after, the color grading and brightness. And yeah, so okay, so we can also add some other effects. So we can like still work on this one. So I don't know, let's see. We have contrast. Let's use contrast. Okay. Yeah, I think that like, yeah, that looks pretty good. So okay, we can also see all yeah, you can see all the VideoFX on, of course, under the video section here. And yeah, we can add every effect that we want. So for example, we can like add distort, I don't know. We have three settings here: amplitude, frequency, and velocity. So let's tweak around with these parameters, and okay, we can see that it becomes like wobbly. The frequency, okay, I can see what it does. I don't know, you can use, I think that you can use this like for some intro. I don't know. You can play with these effects. Yeah, it became like super wobbly, and yeah, that's cool. But yeah, if you, for example, do not like a filter, an effect, you can delete that by pressing the minus sign here, remove selected filter, and here you have it. But yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.